Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss computer science igcse Cambridge computer science 2210, and here are the writers names are David Watson and Helen Williams. These are the writers names. Okay, now here this book, this is our old book, and we are now going to discuss old book and the new book. What are There is a second edition is a new book. Okay, now first we will explore that what are the changes, what kind of content they have added in our O level IGCSE this time. Okay, into for session 20, 21 and 23 onward. Okay, so first I'm going to check the old syllabus, what we were having in the old syllabus. When you will open this PDF book, it's on top left corner, click here on content, and on content you can find some, these are the hyperlinks. Let's say in section 1 and section, there are by the way two sections. Section 1 is related to paper 1 and section 2 is related to paper 2. This is our theoretical paper, and this one is practical. We are using practical approach in which we will learn algorithm and design. So now let's check that what we are having in section 1. And this paper in old syllabus, it carries 75 marks, and this one carry 50 marks. Okay, now let's check its content. Click here. So in the chapter number 1 in old syllabus, the first chapter was binary system and hexadecimal. Chapter 2, communication and internet technologies. Chapter number 3, logic gates and the logic circuit. Chapter number 4 is operating system and computer architecture. Fifth one is input and output devices. Sixth chapter is memory and data storage. Seventh chapter is high level and low level languages. And then chapter number 8 is security and ethics. This was all about the chapter number 1, section 1, paper 1. Now let's explore section 2 of the old syllabus. In section 2 was we were having problem solving and design, then pseudocode and flowchart. Chapter number 10, 11 programming concept. 12th one is data structure arrays using pre-release material, and the last chapter is databases. This was all about the previous syllabus. By the way, this time we are not having pre-release material, but they have just changed the name, but the rest of the thing is same. Scenario based or pre-release material is the same thing. Let's explore this time. Okay, now I'm going to click on the second edition. Sorry. Okay, in second edition, Cambridge IGCSE O level computer science second edition, the what we are having on top left corner, click on content, and now let's explore its different content. Same, we are having the same two sections, paper 1 and paper 2. This one is theoretical and this one is we are using a practical approach over here. Okay, now I personally like this book because there is a much detail in this book. Okay, if you want to get knowledge, if you want to going for A levels, and you are going to opt computer science subject, then I recommend you to use this book. Seriously, I have learned a lot. So in this case, earlier in old syllabus, paper 1 carry 75 marks and paper 2 carry 50 marks. This time in both papers, they are having the same weightage. These two papers having the same weightage this time. 75 marks for paper 1, 75 marks for paper 2. It means that you have to do your best in both papers. So now let's click on section 1, explore this content. This time we are having 6 chapters in our paper 1. Earlier it was how many chapters? It was 8 chapters. In section 8, earlier we were having 8 chapters, but this time we are having only 6 chapters in paper 1. The chapter 1, data presentation, data transmission, hardware, software. Chapter number 5 is internet and its uses, automated emerging technologies. And now section 2, problem solving and design, algorithm and logic gate. Here we are having, they have added logic gate this time in paper 2. Earlier it was the part of paper 1. Now here, look here, algorithm and design, chapter 7, programming, databases. These are the old syllabus. Okay, now so what's the difference? Difference is they are in this book we are having much detail. We are having the algorithm. No, so they have added robotic concept, artificial intelligence concept in sensor. When you will go for in hardware we will explore input and output devices, data storage, networking, all that data. Then you will find lots of detail. It means that you are going to learn and explore new technologies, new concepts. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest feedback from my channel. Latest content, you can get the latest content from my channel. Okay, now we will explore these chapters one by one. These are very interesting. Now in first of all, I'm going to discuss in next tutorial chapter number 10, logic gates. So what is the difference between earlier old syllabus, what was there in the old syllabus and what was in the new syllabus? We will discuss this in the next tutorial. Okay, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.